Hi everyone, welcome to this new video where I will show you step-by-step instruction for installing the windshield wipers in my car. My car is a 2015 Toyota Camry SE and it needs an 18-inch and a 26-inch windshield wiper, and this is for the driver side and this is for the passenger side. And these are the Michelin Endurance XT silicone beam, and they have better weather performance. I got it for around $20 each, and you can get the sizes for your vehicle by either measuring them, or you can search it online, or even when you are going to buy these at the store they will have a manual that shows you the sizes for different vehicle models. So let's see how to install these wipers. Now this is the wiper that's already there, and if we go closer and look, to remove this wiper what we have to do is, you see this, so this is a lock that's on this hook, so this is the hook where we have to connect the new wiper. Now this is a lock mechanism where we have to go in and remove this lock. Now you can do that while it's like there, or you can just put it straight upright, anything is fine. So once you remove the lock, then it's pretty easy. Then you push it towards that side, and when you push it towards that side it will slide on, and then you can just remove it. So you can see this is an anchor that's holding this, and this is the lock that you need to remove. This is how you remove the old wiper, and you should gently place it on the screen. This is a metal object, and if you throw it on this directly it might crack the windshield, so be careful, or put some cloth or something that you can avoid that incident. But I have gently placed it here. You can also see the old wiper that I have removed, that it's a bit worn. You can see these wiper is coming out, and this is a bit worn, and sometimes it leaves mark like this on my windshield, so that's why I needed to replace this. So this is how you will realize that when to replace your wiper. So this is the new wiper that I removed from the package, and you can see there are these things that needs to be removed before the usage. So once you remove that, you should push this and push this hook up. Once you push this up, you have this thing that goes under the hook of this wiper. So you take it and push it inside the hook here, and once you push it inside, you push it up, you slide it towards this side, towards outer side, and once it properly slide and it's tight, you put this hook down, put this switch down, so now it's attached. So this is as simple as that. And similarly you can replace the windshield wiper for the driver side. So this is how it's done, and thanks for watching the video.